So here we have a full Tesla Y kit for model Tesla 2020 to 2023. Now this is a full kit and you'll be surprised what it comes with. Now here we have the rear mat, which covers every bit of space on the rear mat. Heavy duty rubber, protects it from hard materials and prevents scratches and damage. The rear passenger seat is full coverage, spill proof, very deep, very sturdy, and this is great for the dirty snowy winters. And the bonus part of this is that it comes with a nice plush material that connects with Velcro connectors. This way it's slip proof, it stays in place, it's 100% coverage, no gaps for dirt to fall in, and it's very luxurious and it's very easy to remove. Now this is the rear storage under the rear cargo deck, and it's spill proof. This way you could put oils and materials in there and not have to worry about it spilling. And here you have the infamous frunk on the front of the Tesla, and you got 100% coverage, drops right in, fits like a glove, very sturdy, spill proof again. It's just full protection for all your floor mat needs, and it has a great like carbon fiber type look to it, and like I said, it fits like a glove. And then we're moving on to the passenger side seats, which again, it's full coverage, spill proof, sturdy but yet soft. It'll fill in its shape. You're gonna get protection from sand from the beach, from snow on the slopes, and everything in between, mud and dirt. And then when you want to have the plush feeling, just sliding in the plush mats that come with it, it's just as easy as just dropping them in. So these are the plush mats, very well made, nice stitching on the ends, very nice feel, and they're very substantial. They're not going to flop around. They're going to lay in place and stay in place. No matter where you're getting in and out of the car, whether you got kids, whether you got dogs. It's just a very well built kit. Here you see us just dropping it in. The Velcro holds it in place. It's so easy just to drop in and change the actually function of the vehicle from utility to luxury in just 1, 2, 3. And you could pull out the mats to get them vacuumed really easy, so maintaining and cleaning is super easy. You don't have to take out all the rubberized mats to clean. It just looks good. I just want to sit in there barefooted. So this is a great kit for the Tesla Y, and it's all you need in floor mats. So you got full coverage from the trunk to the frunk and everything in between. This is a great deal and very high quality floor mat set for the Tesla Y.